Searching for a 2010 Holden Commodore.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.